Okay, here is the y-axis for the new Phase II machine. See if I can get this. Here we have linear bearings. There's the Z. And the Y. You can see it's much more smooth and accurate than the current machine, which uses drawer slides for the Z-axis and the V-grooved bearings for the Y. You can kind of see one of the, actually that's the back side. I don't know how well you can see the V-grooved bearings in there, but they're similar to these V-groove bearings on the X-axis. We did receive today our new Acme screw and anti-backlash nut for this gantry assembly. So we're pretty excited about this. We'll just kind of see the progression, and I will keep posting YouTube videos of it. But that's what we got so far.